Hari Om. Begin each day listening to the most auspicious sound in the universe. Yoga of Arjuna's Grief, Chapter 1, Shloka 38-39. Though these, with their intelligence clouded by greed, see no evil in the destruction of the families in the society, and no sin in their cruelty to friends.
Chapter 1, Shloka 38. यद्यप्येतेन पश्यन्ति लोभो वहत चेतसः कुलक्षयकृतं दोषं मित्रद्रोहे च पातकम्.
Why should not we, who clearly see evil in the destruction of the family units, learn to turn away from this sin? O Janardhan.
Chapter 1, Shloka 39. Katanna jneyyamasmabhih papadasman nivartitum kulakshayakritan dosham prapashyadbhir janardhana.
In the previous shloka, we found Arjuna confused and having lost his self-confidence. After a while, when his mind rested, then he comes up with new arguments. In these shlokas 38 and 39, Arjuna says that Kauravas are intoxicated with power. They see no evil in the destruction of the family units and inflicting cruelties on their friends. Arjuna argues, though they are intoxicated and they can't see their wrongdoing, but we can see what wrong they are doing. So Arjuna he's retaining his discrimination, and yet he does not have the strength to pursue what is right. So this is the point where he's stuck. This is the bottleneck. Generally, if you do not stop what is wrong, then that leads to the decadence of the society in general. So here we have got Gita's message. They are saying is that you have to be dynamic and you have to do what is right and what is good. And Arjuna knows what is right, but he is arguing to support what is wrong. And what is the result? He wants to maintain peace. So, at what cost are we trying to maintain peace? At the cost of maintaining what is right? So, the whole Gita's purpose is to give active resistance to evil. And Arjuna does not have the confidence to do that. So he is trying to maintain peace at all costs. And this is the problem which Gita is trying to solve, and it has the solution. This we will see more in the next video. See this video clipping again and again till you can answer the following questions. Free book and e-book of the Holy Gita, commentary by Swami Chinmayananda, available. To understand Gita, join Chinmaya Mission study group in your area. There are over 300 Chinmaya Mission centers in the world. Kindle Life is the first text prescribed in the scheme of study by Swami Chinmayananda himself. Watch Ranjod Kalra's videos on Kindle Life online.